I did get a request also from my boy Roger for Uniswap. And Uniswap is also just really chilling nicely in an accumulation zone. This thing got absolutely murder troused during the crypto ice age and is now pretty flat for the most part. We do have a little bit of a triangle of some kind of triangle, something like that. And it's working on breaking out. Let's go to the moving averages. So the 10 EMA, we are above that. That's nice. Above the 20, the 50 is going to be a little bit of resistance, but that's okay. Daily chart, long term. I could throw some shekels. I wouldn't be extremely aggressive, but if I wanted to buy some Uniswap, it would be at 620. If I were to buy a little bit, that's probably where I would slide up in there on Uniswap. See if I can get a little bit of something. And then of course, if it broke out over the next 3 or 4 days, which I don't necessarily intend on, but if it did, I'd buy also a little bit at 712. All right. And here is your update for the Uniswap analysis. It did pull back into that triangle that I analyzed. And look at that, 620. Very, very cool. Low of that candle was 608. And since then on Uniswap up a measly 17%. So if you put in, I don't know, let's just say $10,000 as an investment, you just made yourself $1,700 or probably 2 or 3 months worth of car payment. Next target is going to be about the 50 EMA, which is $7.90 on the weekly chart. Really good consolidation, really good compression. And I could see some cute little movement higher on Uniswap as we compress at this resistance, which is the 10 EMA on a monthly chart. And eventually, as and if we pop out of here, we will head to the 20. Thanks so much for watching my videos. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. My goal and mission is to enrich your life with my content and help you make a lot of money. You're the best.